RIOT stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. RIOT Platforms is sitting at $12.88, 4.46% up. Where the heck are we heading next? First thing that I want to mention, it's definitely going up, and the only way that I would have bought was this double break approach. Now, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships. And the way that I'm like deliberately looking at RIOT, what the hell's going on with me? The power of words. Yeah, I wanted to see like that little retracement, but it just kind of kept without me. And at this point, I'm not going to force it, you know, like it's honestly, I really doubt that it's going to be enough space to put that second break and then long. But that's why, like, if the price retraces down and gives me some rules, then I have no problem getting involved. So at this point, I'm just still waiting. And keep in mind, like, this is this long. I was looking at talking about long since 10 bucks. So, but the price just does not want to give me the rules, and that's part of the game. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.